Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to deactivate the Instagram account on Android. We start by opening Instagram, then click on the Settings and Activity drop-down menu. After that, click on Account Center and then on Personal Details. Here we click on the Account Ownership and Control option. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion and select the account to deactivate. Now we choose the option to deactivate the account and continue with Continue. It will probably ask us for the password to continue. Next, we choose a reason for the deactivation and click on Continue. Finally, we will click on Deactivate Account to confirm the action. You can reactivate the account later by logging back into Instagram. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.